If you are a YouTuber, you might be wondering when and how should I start an LLC for my business. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to know about LLCs, why they may be beneficial for you as a content creator, and the whole process for starting and setting up your own LLC. So I currently run 5 YouTube channels, and one of them has over 150,000 subscribers. So when it comes to starting an LLC as a content creator, I have some experience. So I'm just going to compile everything I know into this one video and show you a service that I use that does the entire LLC formation process for you. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to address is when you need an LLC and what exactly is an LLC. Basically, LLC just stands for Limited Liability Company, and of course, it gives you what you think it would, limited liability protection. This means that if your business gets sued, which of course is quite rare, they can't come after your personal assets. So things like your house, your car, and all that stuff is protected. Instead, they can only come after the assets that are in your LLC. This gives you a lot of protection and is one of the reasons why a lot of people love having an LLC and choose to start one. Now, having an LLC also separates your personal expenses from your business expenses. And while you can write off things as a sole proprietor, and if you're starting a YouTube channel, you're automatically going to be considered a sole proprietor, meaning all the income you make from YouTube just flows directly to your personal tax return. Well, when you have an LLC, you have a bit of separation from your own personal stuff. And just like with any business, you can write off a lot of expenses when it comes to taxes. There's honestly a lot of stuff that you can write off as a content creator. For example, business meals, which are at least right now 100% deductible. Then there's business travel, vacations, there's haircuts, there's your camera, your lens, and your lighting, and all your equipment. You could even write off a portion of your rent or your home office, any subscription fees for platforms like YouTube, or any subscription fees to platforms that you may use, and a lot more. Basically, anything you use for your YouTube channel and your business can be, in most cases, completely written off. Also, a lot of the things that you use on a day-to-day basis are related to your business, so you could write off a huge amount of things, which reduces your taxable income. So it does cost money to form and maintain an LLC, whereas as a sole proprietorship, it is completely free, and that's why it's only going to be worth it once your channel actually starts making money. If you're brand new to being a YouTuber, you most likely don't need to set up an LLC just yet. Also, let's be honest, YouTube channels very rarely get sued, so if you are a newer YouTuber that's not making over 40 to 50 grand a year, then you could remain as just a sole proprietor. But if you are making more than that, I would definitely recommend looking into getting LLCs as well as an S-Corp set up. So now I'm actually going to show you guys how to form an LLC as a YouTuber. Now, there are a ton of different options out there. For example, you have companies like Inkfile, Zen Business, as well as Northwest. But for most of my own business entities, I filed them using Taylor Brands. Taylor Brands has a completely free plan, so you're not paying anything to form the LLC. You're just going to be paying whatever state fees you have to pay anyway. And they also offer other really affordable plans, and honestly, their service is amazing. I have never had a single issue with them creating my LLCs. They also have a registered agent service, which is amazing. It saves you a lot of money and allows you to keep your personal information from being in the public eye. I will leave a link down below in the description and in the pinned comment to Taylor Brands if you are interested in creating your LLC with them. It is by far the best platform that I have personally used to create my business entities. So if you do decide to use my link down below, it's going to take you to this page, and from here, we're simply going to select our state from the drop-down menu. For this example, I'm just going to select California. Step 2, we just need to choose a name for our business. So just type in your ideal business name and they'll check for you right there and then on the website and let you know whether or not it's available. And then the third and final step, we just need to answer a few questions that they have about your business. They'll ask things like what services we're selling, what stage our business is at, how many employees we have, and finally, just for our contact details. And that's basically it. Taylor Brands will then start the LLC formation process for you, and they have a team of experts that will guide you through every single step of the way. And you'll have your LLC set up in no time. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can go to the description of this video and there is going to be a discount link for Taylor Brennan's. It's going to take you to the exact spot you need in order to be able to get your LLC set up. Let's be honest, sometimes knowing all of the stuff about business entities can be pretty confusing, but I hope that this video has helped you out. I hope it gave you some more good information about what LLCs are, why you might want them, and the exact steps that you can take to set one up in just a few minutes using an LLC formation service. If you do have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section down below. And also, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This channel is completely dedicated to providing 100% free information for entrepreneurs just like you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.